Welcome to my tutorial on character movements and how to make a Flash game in Adobe Flash CS4. The first thing you're going to want to do is open a new ActionScript 2.0 Flash file. And you're going to want to create a character that you want to move. So I'm going to make mine simple. It's going to be a face, and I can go ahead and fill that in with yellow, and I'll give it eyes. A mouth and tongue. So once you have your character made, you're going to want to select it, right click it, and convert it to a symbol. The registration can be in the middle, and you're going to want to make sure that it says movie clip, not button or graphic. Name it whatever you want. I'm going to name mine Smiley, and then press OK. After that, select your created character, and in the Properties tab, you're going to want to give it the instance name of whatever you want the instance name in the code to be. So I'll use Smiley because that's what I named it originally, and just close the library after, and now you're ready for some coding. So I'm just going to quickly resize mine down a bit, and now it's still going to look the same. So now click it and go to the Actions tab, and now it's ready to get some moving. So I'm going to go over this with you to make it easier for you to understand. So what you're going to want to type in ActionSframe is onClipEvent, enterFrame, open curly bracket, press enter. So that's saying on the clip there will be an event when you enter the frame. As easy as that. So now what you're going to say now is type the event. So you're going to say if Key.isDown, and then you're going to want to say what key is down. So Key.LEFT, and then close off those brackets and open another curly bracket, press enter, and now we're going to say what the character is going to do when the left key is pressed down. So the left key is going to root the character dot smiley. So type in _root dot smiley, or whatever you instance your character's name as. Make sure you instance it the same thing, because capitals matter. So when it says smiley, type in dot period _x. So that's saying the x-axis, like the x coordinates, it will move in a negative. It will move negative, so it'll move left on the frame by what power? So we'll give it a power of 5, and then we'll close that off. So that's saying on the clip there will be an event when you enter the frame, and the event will be if a key is pressed down and the left key is pressed down, it'll move the smiley 5 every time you press the button, basically, or you hold it down on the x coordinate. And it's pretty easy to understand, but now you can just copy this code, copy, and paste it onto the 5th line, and just change left to right, and change negative to positive. It's not saying, so just remember left and right are always on the x coordinate, which is a line straight across, a horizontal line, and y is vertical, so it'll move vertical, negative for up and positive for down, I believe. So yeah, then just close that off and then paste your code again on frame 8, and now it's saying if the key is up, it's going to move on the y coordinates positive 5, and then press enter and close it off again with a close curly bracket, and press enter and paste the code one more time for down. It'll bring it down, DOWN, and this is going to be positive. It'll move it positive on the y. Sorry, up is negative, down is positive. So I'll give you the code in the description anyway, so you can just paste it in if you really want, and then just close it off with 2 close curly brackets and test it for errors. There's no errors. If we're to test it and press Control Enter, we'll export our movie, and it'll move up when pressed up, down when pressed down, left when pressed left, and right when pressed right. And it'll also move diagonal because it's an if statement, right? It's when the corresponding keys are pressed. In the next few tutorials, I'll be talking more about maybe walls around your game, levels, so when your character moves to a certain point on the game, it'll bring you to a different level. We can add coins, and you have to collect a certain amount of coins before an event happens, like you can enter a door, let's just say. We can make directions for the character, so when you press left, the character looks left, and then up, character looks up, vertical, character looks vertical, and I'll get into more of that later. I'll also try and cover scrolling, which means the screen moves with the character, so the character will move and the screen will move. Like, think of like Pokemon, the screen moves, the character really doesn't. And that's about it. Thanks for watching, subscribe, there'll be more tutorials coming soon, and yeah.